You're looking for a trusted partner in maintaining all modalities of medical imaging equipment, and I get it. Let me introduce you to Medical Imaging Equipment Service as your credible partner in maintaining all modalities of medical imaging equipment. We're the team of experienced technicians that has expertise in all brands of medical imaging, biomedical equipment, and support systems. We provide you with a comprehensive range of services, including medical imaging equipment repair, installation, calibration, preventive maintenance, and electrical safety inspections. But wait, there's more! Medical Imaging Equipment Service, we understand the critical importance of reliable medical imaging equipment in providing accurate diagnoses and treatment plans for your patients. That's why we offer customized preventive maintenance plans to minimize downtime and extend the lifespan of your equipment. And here you'll find some incredible services. We are proud to perform medical imaging equipment field service operations on behalf of medical imaging equipment manufacturers specializing in medical imaging equipment and support systems. You'll get a 24/7 emergency services, and we offer national service coverage to ensure that you receive the same high-quality service no matter where your medical imaging equipment is located. In addition to our standard services, we also perform annual testing and recertification of isolated power systems and line isolation monitors. These services are essential for the safety of your patients and staff, and we take them very seriously. So if you're looking for a reliable partner to help you maintain your medical imaging equipment, look no further than Medical Imaging Equipment Service. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help you meet your maintenance needs.